Hi, I wanted to show you these beans that just sprouted. I think they're vining beans, but the cool part is that they came from the supermarket. My mom bought them just at her local store, and I just planted them. I think they're vining beans, uh, but yeah, all of the ones that I planted have sprouted, and that was about 2 weeks ago. So just so cool to see and try things, that you don't have to buy expensive seeds to grow some crops in your garden. Thank you so much for watching, and happy gardening.